Alright, here's the deal here. I got a lot of trees here that I've got to trim up, get rid of these branches and everything else. So I bought this little SuperHandy wood chipper on Amazon. I think it was like 400 bucks. Okay, I figured it was nothing, you know, fancy, but it'd probably get done what I need to do. Well, it claims it'll cut a 3-inch log. No, it will not. This thing, it'll, once you feed it, it wants to pull it in there real bad. Definitely got to be careful. That's what the branches did to me, sucking it in there. Then when it gets down to like the last foot or so, it'll want to spit it back out at you. There's one right there. And I mean, I'm talking, that's not even a 2-inch. And it shut my machine down. I stuck it in there. It fed it in so fast, it killed the engine. So 3-inch it is not. I'm going to stop using it. It will go back. I don't know how I'm going to do that, or I threw the box away. But yeah, it's definitely not worth the money. You know, for what I spent on that, I should have just went ahead and went to a rental place and got a big one. But I mean, like I said, it'll pull. I mean, it just sucks it in super quick. See where these teeth are? It'll pull it into it. So, there it is. So, it pulls your branch in there before it actually gets a chance to cut it up. I don't like that. Now, maybe if they were sideways, that might be a little better. I don't know. And it will definitely shoot that piece out. There's one right there. It probably shot it out 2 foot maybe. Yeah, guys, save your money. It's too big of a hassle, and it's not worth it. I mean, I even have my gloves on. And you just, it bled off a little bit. Save your money, guys.
What to expect: the chute will break and crack. You have to weld it, and then the crankshaft will get so bent you have a hard time pulling it, and it'll vibrate like crazy when it does run.